Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in ActiveCampaign. This is an essential feature for staying compliant with email marketing regulations and giving your subscribers an easy way to opt out if they choose to. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your ActiveCampaign dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns and automations. Now look over to the left side menu where you'll see various options for managing your campaigns. Click on Email. This section houses all your email campaigns, drafts, and templates. From here, select the specific campaign that you want to add the unsubscribe link to. This could be a newsletter, promotional email, or any other campaign you've created. Click on it to open the campaign editor. Once your campaign loads, you'll see a preview of your email design. Position your cursor anywhere on this preview area and click Edit Design. This action opens up the full email editor where you can make changes to your layout, content, and design elements. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see all the editing tools available. In the email editor, you'll now need to add a text block where your unsubscribe link will live. Drag a text block from the available elements and place it below your main content, typically at the footer of your email. This is the standard location for unsubscribe links and makes it easy for recipients to find. Once the text block is in place, type in the phrase "no longer interested" or any similar text that clearly indicates this is an unsubscribe option. This gives subscribers a clear call to action. Now comes the crucial part. Look at the top of the editor and you'll see a button labeled Personalization Tags. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with various dynamic tags you can insert into your emails. From this menu, click on Message. This will expand another submenu with message-specific options. Here, locate and click on Unsubscribe Link. This action automatically inserts the proper unsubscribe link code into your text, ensuring it works correctly and complies with email marketing standards. And that's it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link to your ActiveCampaign email, ensuring your subscribers have a simple way to opt out while keeping your campaigns compliant. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.